Hello and welcome to a new video about my barbecue controller. Here it is. Look at that, what I printed out. It's looking almost exactly like in the model. So here we have those rings with the different colors. Okay, I reversed the order. I don't know. Here's the switch. The switch is now first time I built in a switch which is properly reachable. Here's the LED. It's blinking and doing how it should. Here is the battery pack, the DC-DC controller, the Arduino Nano, the wireless module and the ADC. Everything proper in place. The only thing which is now really a little bit wiggly still is this wireless module, and this should be held in place by the cover. Here's the cover already. I also printed the cover, and well, I hope this is turning out that this really fits here. So I'm going to clean this up now here, this mess. Okay, the LED looks nice. Let's see if the rest slides just over. Now let's skip this. Let's put the LED for a moment out. See if it slides without LED. Yes. All right. Looking nice. Everything sounds. Nothing is clattering. Okay. This is working. Then I start what I finish what I've started. I start what I finished. I finish what I've started and try to remove the last parts. Grab drill, 4mm drill. Now it fits. Here. Ooh. Hey, not that good. Ooh. Look here. I have a collision. Here. I have a collision with this device, this guide, and this Stecker plug. Alright, there is a collision. Why should everything work out? I broke it anyway here. I broke it here, so I will redesign this case and print it out again and then build it. But basically I'm pretty satisfied. So everything turns out okay. Okay. Not okay. Alright. Now that's how it is. Print the case again, new. But before, make some little tweaks, redesign. Well, minor setback. Okay, because What I'm also not very satisfied with is the powertrain. I'm now going in the next days. I also want to look into how to save power, because it's battery operated and it should run for hours. And I've seen even there are now standard Mignon standard batteries inside, not accumulators. There are standard AA batteries inside, and also thereafter, I think it was running 2 hours, I already saw some drop in the voltage. So I figured maybe I need to make this a little bit more power saving. This is what I try as next. Power saving. First measure the power, how much voltage is drained now, how much current is drained now from the batteries with this application. Therefore I don't need this case, so the case can be done at the side. Yeah, then we'll see. Then we will see. Last flash. For this time, thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.